every couple of days, I talk about the best Telegram crypto signal service out there, and that is SignalPeak, guys. And you can start for free today. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only, guys. You can see here in the SignalPeak chat, there is a lot going on, all right? Money after money, and you can be in that too for absolutely free. If you actually have a look at here, you can see where it says free day, free trial. If you hit the link down below, you're going to get access to everything for free. And not only that, guys, you're going to get a $100 discount on this incredible service. But today I want to talk about a special group in here, okay? So not only do you get access to over 100 crypto groups and 45 Forex groups, all for one price, okay? You can actually choose which ones you want to get involved with. It's up to you. I like to change it every single week. And this week I've been using a few, okay? But one of the main ones is FRI VIP. That is Fed Russian Insiders Group, okay? The VIP section. And these are all premium groups, guys, with real-time signals. So you can see here stuff going on, all right? The last trade that was coming in, you can see at a huge 26% right there, guys. All right, 89%, 288%. Unbelievable. How does this trade look, guys? They hit top TP10. It comes in looking like this. So they tell you the trade, they tell you the pairing, WLD to USDT on Binance or Bybit. They tell you the direction, whether it's long or short, the position size. Guys, they go through the leverage, the type of swing trading. So guys, you be comfortable if you want to do scalping, swing trading, day trading, whatever it is you want. They have everything in different groups for you. All the targets, and we know that target 10 got hit. Also the stop loss to keep your risk, and they tell you if it's a medium, high, or low risk trade. And guys, it's really simple because then you start to make incredible money. And again, you could do all of this for completely free. You can literally make 100% on 100 trades in your 3-day free trial if you go with all the groups. It's insane. So you've got to get involved now. What I'm going to do, guys, is actually show you how to take a trade and how to confirm a trade. Okay, so let's go to Alex Friedman and check out one of their signals. All right, so you can see the new one here. NKN to USDT. So let's open up TradingView. This is what you should do for every signal. Okay, NKN to USDT dot perpetuals. Okay, and we're gonna check this out. So you can see I've got an indicator on it telling me when to buy and when to sell, but the signals is what I want to confirm. So this says to short, and this was at 12:10. Okay, so the entry was 7137. So let's line that up. 7137 is exactly, let me line this up for you. 7137, okay, is here. All right, that's where the mark is. So you can see here exactly when the trade started to go ahead. So they said to sell this, okay, and they're looking between that and 6957. Their TP, if we're going to go with the highest TP of 6198, okay, and the lowest with 6895, are looking around here. So let me get my short position out, okay, and we're going from here, and they said that the lowest TP was, let me just confirm, okay, 6895. So if we go to 6895, this is where they said it 100% will get to there, okay, which you can see we have already ticked. Okay, and the second one, they are saying if you want to be ambitious, okay, you would go for all the way to, and it is 6198. So ambitious, looking at around 6198. Okay, now why do I draw two of these out for you? I want to explain this, okay? So we can see TP1 for this trade has been hit. Okay, you can see here, massive hit. All right. We've already made the profit. So the signals work. It's confirmed. Now, if I was coming in late, okay, I would say that this is missed because TP1 has been hit and TP here, this is the top one, has been hit. You can see this line. I'm going to draw for you. It already wicked here, which means the top TP got hit. Now the trade is over. We're already on the way up. This one candle, we made all of that profit. So you would have made a total, guys, if we measure this out from when the trade was taken all the way to here, that was a 14% win trade. And that's just a random one that I've just picked up, the last one that was taken. 4% win, 14% win trades, guys. So that's how you confirm it. Now, if it was the opposite way, okay, if they asked you to put the trade on here, sell, okay, and the first TP was here, all right, it's not hit first TP, it started to move up. I would not get into this trade instantly because you already know that it's going the opposite way. You don't have to take every trade they say. All I'm saying is they're very accurate. So guys, that's how you take a trade and that's how you confirm one. There's a reason I talk about this every couple of days, not just because it is the best signal group out there, because I also have access to give you discount of $100 dollars. I'll get a tiny bit of a commission fee, but not as much as you will save, and we can keep this going, helping people finally find that group that's going to change their life. So FRI is the one I've been using this week, guys. SignalPeak is the channel to be using. There is no other one out there. I don't want to pay $15,000 for one group. I want to pay $250 for 145 groups. Get involved right now.